Hello, guys. So, guys, in the last topics, like what exactly you have covered is like till here, till the types of health insurance. That too, like what you are covered is what is health insurance, history you have learned, participants. So, who exactly are there will be there in US healthcare systems. Yes, someone is trying to. Who else will be there in US healthcare system? Who are those participants? Can someone say, like, can someone speak out? Like, who are the participants in the US healthcare system? Who
Payers,
are the
patients, providers,
payer, patients, and providers? What
providers.
exactly? Who exactly is patient who fell sick? Is a person we call that as a patient. Who is a provider? Providers are ఎవరిని providers అని అంటాం. Government ద్వారా license
వైజాగ్ ఒకసారి
అది.
దువ్వుద్ది.
Guys, please mute yourself if you are doing some other work, or just for the time being or class ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రం ఏ పనులు పెట్టుకోకండి ప్లీజ్. Okay, so providers are those who individuals who are like who got the license from the government, so who provide like medical care to the patients. Patients కి మెడికల్ కేర్ అది అందజేసే వాళ్ళని ప్రొవైడర్స్ అంటాము. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Yes or no, maybe?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
someone?
ఎస్
Yes.
మ్యామ్.
Yeah. So whom do we call payer? Payer అని ఎవరిని అంటాము? Insurance
Insurance company.
company. So who will be taking care of like the money things, right? So it is like an organization which has contracted with the patient to pay for patient's healthcare services. So వాళ్ళు అంటే so even these people will be doing this contract like mana pay the వీళ్ళు, so the ప్రజలు, so they will do that contract. They will try to, they'll make the payment like how this life insurance or LIC policies do work, like, right? So Allah, so even this is like that. So whenever there is a, like the patient is fallen sick, or they are sick, so at that point of time, so this insurance company comes into picture. So as we save those money, so that money will be kept in use at that point of time. Yes or no, maybe? Guys, are you understanding or what? We are revising things
Yes,
actually.
ma'am.
So here's the payers will be either government agencies or the private companies. So payers can be both any. సో కంప్లీట్‌గా గవర్నమెంటే ఉండడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో ప్రైవేట్ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. ప్రైవేట్ ఉంటది. సో గవర్నమెంట్ కంపెనీస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. యెస్. సో వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్‌లీ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ దిస్ హెల్త్ ఇన్స్యూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ టైప్స్ చెప్పుకున్నాం. సో 2 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి అని చెప్పి హెల్త్ ఇన్స్యూరెన్స్‌లో. సో వాట్ ఆర్ దోస్ 2 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాన్స్? సో గవర్నమెంట్
Government
ప్లాన్స్,
insurance.
ప్రైవేట్ ప్లాన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ గవర్నమెంట్ ప్లాన్స్ ఏవేవి ఉంటాయి? సో మెడికేర్ ఉంటది, రైల్ రోడ్ మెడికేర్ ఉంటది, మెడికేడ్ ఉంటది, MEDICAID కేడ్, మెడికేడ్, షాంపూస్, చంపా, workers compensation. So all these will be the government plans. All these comes under the government plans, under healthcare insurance. So, and in the workers compensation విషయంకి వస్తే అన్ని workers compensations అన్ని uh, all this not all the workers compensations will be under government plan. It can also be under the private plan as well. Not every workers compensation will be allocated to the government or comes under the government. Okay. So next is like, I mean, we'll go into picture like one by one in, I mean, briefly, like what exactly in this Medicare, what goes around, Ani. each and one by one point, Allah. So next, when it comes to the private plans, what are there? Blue Cross, Blue Shield. I mean, you guys heard, right? You can say it out, dear students. You can say it out, like, why being quiet. You guys have heard of these private plans as well, right? Private plans కింద ఏమేమి వస్తాయి చెప్పండి.
Blue Cross Blue Shield,
Etna,
మ్మ్.
Aetna, United Healthcare,
మ్మ్.
State Farm Insurance,
మ్మ్. Gallagher benefit administrators, and yes, so much more else, many more else to be, they can be added into this private plans. So first we will go with the government plans in point to point. So first one, government plans, the first in the Medicare అనుకున్నాం. So what exactly is a Medicare? So can someone explain about the Medicare plan, government plan? For whom we give this plan? Who who are eligible, or who falls under this category?
ma'am, your
Yesterday,
voice is not clear.
my voice is not clear, Amma. Now
Yes, ma'am, it's breaking, ma'am.
it's breaking.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
everyone, is it like that? Yesterday, one person explained about the Medicare, who falls under into this category. So for whom this,
Senior citizens,
yeah, senior citizens, like,
persons with end stage renal disease, ma'am.
okay, what exactly is a renal disease?
Kidney failure,
Kidney
ma'am.
product.
Uh, Come again. Who said that?
It's me, ma'am.
Come again.
Kidney failure
Kidney failure, renal. Who?
and stage
Okay.
renal disease.
Hmm.
End stage renal disease, ma'am.
End stage.
Renal disease.
Okay. So how this kidney disease, like, how it happens, like, what kidney disease ante enti?
Purification of urine జరగదు మ్యామ్.
నెఫ్రాన్స్ ఫిల్టరేషన్ స్టాప్ చేస్తాయి మ్యామ్, స్లోగా జరుగుతుంది మ్యామ్.
ఏంటమ్మా?
నెఫ్రాన్స్ మ్యామ్, కిడ్నీలో ఉండే నెఫ్రాన్స్ వాటి వర్క్ స్లో అవుతాయి, అప్పుడు ఫిల్టరేషన్ సరిగ్గా జరగదు, బయటికి
బ్లడ్ అనేది
ఎక్స్క్రీట్
ఫిల్టర్ అవ్వదు.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్,
నార్మల్ గా జరిగే బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అనేది, ఐ మీన్,
ఫిల్టరేషన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది.
ఫిల్టర్ అనేది జరగదు. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, అలా జరగనప్పుడు, ఐ మీన్, కిడ్నీస్ అనేవి డ్యామేజ్ అవుతాయి, రైట్? సో దట్
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
కండిషన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ లైక్ CKD, విచ్ ఈస్ లైక్ క్రోనిక్ కిడ్నీ డిసీజ్. సో వెన్ ఎప్పుడైతే సరే బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో అనేది, ఐ మీన్, లేదా బ్లడ్ అనేది ప్యూరిఫికేషన్ అనేది జరగదో, లేదా ఫిల్టరేషన్ అనేది జరగదో, అప్పుడు సో కిడ్నీస్ అనేవి డ్యామేజ్ అవుతాయి, రైట్? ఓకే, ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Guys, don't keep quiet. Speak something. That's how we can move forward. Yesterday itself I mentioned. సో ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, ఇది బ్లడ్ ప్యూరిఫికేషన్ అనేది కానప్పుడు, లేదా ఫిల్టరేషన్ అనేది జరగనప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్సెస్ ఫ్లూయిడ్ లేదా వేస్ట్ అనేది అది అలా ఉండిపోతుంది బాడీలోనే కదా. సో అది అలాగే ఉండిపోయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ టు అవర్ హెల్త్? బ్లడ్ లోపల ఫిల్టర్ కానప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది?
ఇట్ మే రిజల్ట్ ఇన్ ట్యూమర్స్.
హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి కదమ్మా లోపల ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మనకి. సో బ్లడ్ అనేది ఫిల్టరేషన్ జరగకపోతే సో హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి, సివియర్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ లైక్ మనకి కిడ్నీస్ ఫెయిల్యూరే కాకుండా, సో హార్ట్ డిసీజెస్, హార్ట్ స్ట్రోక్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి, రైట్? ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందని నేను చెప్తున్నది. ఎవరికి అర్థం కావట్లేదా?
అర్థమవుతుంది మ్యామ్.
సో దట్ నేను ముందుకెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది, లేకపోతే అక్కడే ఆగిపోవాలి. లెట్ మీ నో ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ఆర్ నాట్.
Yes, ma'am.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఎస్. సో ఈ మెడికేర్, ఈ ప్లాన్ అనేది ఎవరికి ఇదవుతుందమ్మా, ఎవరికి ఇస్తాం మనం? ఫర్ హోమ్ వీ కెన్ గివ్ ఈ సర్వీసెస్, మెడికేర్ సర్వీసెస్ అనేది ఎవరికి ఇస్తాం? సో పేషెంట్స్ ఓవర్ the 65 years who falls under this category, senior citizens. సో వీళ్ళకి మనం ఈ సర్వీస్ అనేది ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం, రైట్? సో సిఎంఎస్ మెడికేర్కి అండ్ అలాగే మెడికేడ్ సర్వీసెస్ మనం పేషెంట్స్ ఓవర్ 65 years, so who are like extremely disabled, so for those people and as well as the people who are at the end stage of the renal disease, like, which is like chronic kidney డ్యామేజ్ క్రానిక్ కిడ్నీ డిజీజ్. సో ఈ స్టేజ్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు కూడా మనం ఈ ప్లాన్ అనేది ఇస్తాము. ఎస్, ఓకే, షల్ వి గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? హలో,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
okay, so this Medicare which can be divided into 4 parts. ఈ మెడికేర్ అనేది సో 4 పార్ట్స్గా మనం డివైడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇట్ కవర్స్ లైక్ హాస్పిటల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్, పార్ట్ ఏ, పార్ట్ బి, పార్ట్ సి, పార్ట్ డి అనుకుంటే పార్ట్ ఏ అనేది హాస్పిటల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్, మెడికల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్. పార్ట్ సి, సో మెడికేర్ ప్లస్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దర్ చాయిస్, అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ డి విచ్ ఇస్ లైక్ అ ఫార్మసీ. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ని రకాలుగా మనం డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో ఈ నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ లైక్ మెడిగ్యాప్ కవరేజ్. దిస్ మెడిగ్యాప్ కవరేజ్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ policy. This is one of the policy which is provided by the private carriers to supplement or to supply the Medicare's coverage to cover services not covered by the Medicare. Medicare we వాళ్ళ చేత కవర్ చేయని వాటివి సో ఈ మెడిగ్యాప్ కవరేజ్ అనేది కవర్ చేస్తుంది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రైవేట్ క్యారియర్స్ సో హూ కెన్ సప్లై ద medicines or any or the facilities that are not being provided by the Medicare.
Yes, ma'am.
How many people of you are here? I know, like exactly how many are there? If you are unable to understand anything, so right away question me. You can go ahead. I mean, I'll answer your questions, but do not stay silent. If you are understanding, let me know. If you're not understanding, also let me know. Understood?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Yes. So next is like railroad Medicare. So what exactly can someone explain about the railroad Medicare, Amma? Can someone?
Yes ma'am, we don't know.
Okay, at least thank you for agreeing for something, saying, responding. So railroad Medicare is the Medicare plan for the railroad retirees, so who are like working in that సెక్టర్. సో అందులో రిటైర్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి ఈ రైల్రోడ్ మెడికేర్ ప్లాన్ అనేది ఇస్తాం. It is one of the Medicare plan which we provide for the people who are retirees in this railroad sector. Okay, so that is administered by the Railroad Retirement Board. Sarika. Okay, when the meet has been conducted, when the meet has been started, so make sure within 5 to 10 minutes అలా జాయిన్ అయిపోవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి everyone. Okay, understood? Inform your friends as well about this. Okay, yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So next point is like Medicare as a secondary payer. So Medicare as primary payer, Medicare as a secondary payer, what exactly, for whom exactly we can do this thing? So for whom we can, this Medicare can be as worked as a secondary payer ante, so working age వాళ్ళకి, disability ఏమైనా ఉన్నా సరే, and who are at end stage renal disease. So వీళ్ళకి మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళకి సెపరేట్ రూల్స్ అవి ఉంటాయి, రెగ్యులేషన్స్ ఉంటాయి ఫర్ మెడికేర్. ఐ మీన్ వీళ్ళు దీనికి అర్హులు అవ్వడానికి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద పర్సన్ హూ ఇస్ లైక్ పర్మనెంట్గా వీళ్ళకి కిడ్నీ ఫెయిల్యూర్ కానీ అయితే, సో దట్ పర్సన్ విల్ బీ అండర్ దిస్ పర్సన్ కెన్ కమ్ అండర్ దిస్ కేటగిరీ. సో దిస్ పర్సన్ కెన్ గెట్ దిస్ plan can come and is eligible to get this plan. Okay. Okay. So who is working aged, disability ఏమైనా ఉన్నా సరే, అండ్ అలాగే renal disease which is like a permanent failure of the kidney, so వాళ్ళు they are eligible for this plan, and this Medicare will be act as a secondary payer for these people as well. Understood? నాట్ ఓన్లీ లైక్
Yes,
హూ
ma'am.
ఆర్ అబౌ అంటే మనం ఫస్ట్లో అనుకున్నాం కదా, సో ఈ మెడికేర్ ప్లాన్ సో అబౌవ్ 65 ఏజ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, ఐ మీన్ ఓన్లీ లైక్ హూ ఆర్ లైక్ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే, సో దిస్ ప్లాన్ విల్ బీ ఐ మీన్ అలాటెడ్ ఫర్ అని. సో ఇది సెకండరీ పేయర్గా, సో ఎవరికి, సో వర్కింగ్ ఏజ్ వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఇదవుతుంది, అండ్ ఇంకా ఏ దాన్ని కవర్ చేస్తుంది, సో ఎవరికైనా సరే డిసబిలిటీ ఉందనుకోండి, లైక్ హౌ డూ యూ కన్సిడర్ ద డిసబిలిటీ, కెన్ సమ్మన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ద డిసబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ వన్ పర్సన్, సో దిస్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్డ్ ఆర్ హీ ఈస్ డిసేబుల్డ్ అని ఎప్పుడు అంటాము, దిస్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ అ డిసేబుల్డ్ పర్సన్ అని చెప్పండి. హూ ఈజ్ లైక్, యా, కెన్ సమ్మన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అబౌట్ ఇట్? ఎవరైనా, మనోజ్ఞ, సారిక, రూత్, మేరీ, ప్రశాంత్, సుజిత్, ఉదయ్, Sailu. Speak up, guys. So whom do we call as like disabled? This person is a disabled person. అని ఎప్పుడు అంటాము? When do we call that person as a disabled person?
Persons with some abnormal conditions.
Abnormal conditions like what, Priya?
Like any defects.
Facts. Any other answers? Okay, nice. Okay, but yes, other answers apart from Priya? Hello?
Physical or a mental impairment.
Any of the body organs have not able to function normally, then it can be termed as disability.
Who spoke just now? Manogna, is that you, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Cool answer. That's cool. Any other one? ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఏమైనా చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారా దీని మీద? లైక్ yeah, it is an appropriate answer. Yeah, precise answer actually. So who is not like physically like not able person, like disabled గా ఉన్నారు, so their organ things and all, so that person is considered as like a disabled person, right? Hello? Yes or no? ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పండి, ఏం మాట్లాడకుండా అలా కామ్గా అయితే ఉండకండి ప్లీజ్. సో hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you guys completely like no, not in a mood to listen to the class?
Nothing like that, ma'am.
Nothing like that. Then why are you guys not responding? Just I mean, you just turned on your I mean, you just joined the meet and then you kept this mobile away or your lappy away and then went somewhere.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No? What? No. Okay, fine. Blessy Gumpula, she left the meet. Why very few guys are there? జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు, వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. ఎందుకండి నా క్లాస్ మీకు అసలు ఇంట్రెస్టే లేదా మీకు?
We are interested, ma'am.
They are interested, but why people are joining and leaving? So yeah. So where did we stop?
Medicare as a secondary payer.
So
For
అది
whom?
ఎవరెవరికి like, yeah, as a secondary payer, for whom it pays, like who?
Working age people, disabled people,
Hmm.
and
ఇంకా?
chronic disorder.
And
Persons suffering with chronic disorders.
chronic disorders. Chronic disorders. What exactly is meant by chronic disorders? Do you?
Long-term suffering.
Hmm. Chronic kidney
Disorder.
failure. అంటే
Chronic disorder, ma'am.
సో క్రానిక్ కిడ్నీ డిసీజ్ అంటే ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నా.
సివియర్
సివియర్ డ్యామేజ్ ఆఫ్ కిడ్నీస్ మా అంతే. సో లాంగ్ లాస్టింగ్ కిడ్నీస్ డిసీజ్ ఉంటే దాన్ని క్రానిక్ కిడ్నీ డిసీజ్ అంటాము. సో ఇట్ విచ్ కవర్స్ ద వన్ విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్ అబౌట్. ఇక్కడ క్రానిక్ కిడ్నీ డిసీజ్ అన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది కిడ్నీస్కి అని చెప్పి మనం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నాం. సో వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ లైక్ హౌ వై దిస్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ అని. ఎస్
ఎస్ మ్యామ్
యా ఎప్పుడు ఇది డిసీజ్ అనేది వస్తుంది?
when the nephrons stop the function
And when the
due
kidney,
to our problem
when the blood doesn't get filtered,
by our kidneys,
సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సో
It
బ్లడ్
will-
బ్లడ్ అనేది ఫిల్టరేషన్ అవ్వదు. సో ప్రాపర్ ఫిల్టరేషన్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ అది అక్కడ ఆగిపోయిందంటే సో బ్లడ్ వేస్టేజ్ అంతా ఫ్లూయిడ్స్ అన్నీ అక్కడ ఆగిపోతాయి, ఎక్కడికక్కడ స్టక్ అయిపోతాయి. సో ఆటోమేటిక్గా హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి, ఇన్ విచ్ లైక్ హార్ట్ డిసీజెస్ ఆర్ హార్ట్ స్ట్రోక్స్ అలాంటివి అనేది మనకి వస్తాయి. అంతేనా? సో వీళ్ళకి ఏంటి ఎప్పుడైనా సరే సో దిస్ విల్ బీ డెవలప్, దిస్ కెన్ బి నోన్ ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ టెస్ట్. లైక్ మనకి ఆ టెస్ట్ చేయించుకున్నప్పుడు మనకు తెలుస్తుంది కొందరికి, ఎందుకంటే సిమ్టమ్స్ అనేవి కొందరికి ఉండవు. స్లోలీ వీ కెన్ గెట్ టు సీ ద సిమ్టమ్స్ లైక్ ఏంటి. సో ఐ మీన్ సడన్గా దిస్ పర్సన్ విల్ ఫీల్ లైక్ ఐ మీన్ వీళ్ళకి బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ అనేది హై బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్ అనేది ఇది అవుతుంది. సో మళ్ళీ వీళ్ళకి ఆకలి కాకపోవడం కానీ, సో వాటర్ ఇంబ్యాలెన్స్ అయినప్పుడు కానీ, సో మనకి ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ వీక్ అయిపోతారు. సో దెన్ విల్ గెట్ టు సీ లైక్ these are when we get to see these symptoms we'll go and we'll get the checkup done. So మనకి అక్కడ కిడ్నీ ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ ఏంటి అనేది మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. రైట్? అండర్స్టూడ్?
yes ma'am,
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
అన్నిటికీ ఎస్ మ్యామ్ తప్ప ఇంకా ఏం రాదా మీకు? చెప్పండి. ఐఎమ్ లైక్ talking only yes ma'am. I mean I wanted to and get to know like what you guys are understanding. Are you guys understanding or not? Florence, yesterday the girl who joined didn't join today. Yes, guys. Yeah, you want to speak and you want me to continue. So what next is like Medicaid. So Medicaid, when it is this is one of the federal plan which is like a state plan. So operated by state plan which is like operated by whom? The states itself. So it is an entitled program under the Social Security Administration of the federal government for patients whose income and resources are insufficient to pay for healthcare, which is like who are like not able to pay, like more less than a middle class family. So who doesn't have a sufficient balance to take care of the Medicare expenses. For these people, this Medicare comes into a picture that is that is governed by the state. Hello, are you guys there? Yes or no? Listening? What exactly did you understand about the Medicaid plan, guys? In short, if I get to say Medicaid plan ante enti ante, so idemo this is governed by the states. So ee plan evariki idi vartistundi? So the people whose income is very less to take care of the medical expenses, or who are unable to pay the medical bills as well, like which is for example these people comes under the very lower than the middle class families. Understood? Who can take care, who can't pay enough bills to the medical expenses. So for these patients, so this government took this plan. Understood?
understood ma'am.
ఓకే, ఇది మీరు ఎవరైనా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలరా ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిందే?
yes ma'am,
చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎవరది చెప్తున్నది కూడా చెప్పండి.
priya ma'am.
ఓకే, ఎస్ ప్రియా, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
It is a federal plan operated by
Your voice
state
is
government and it is provided for the patients with less income who can't meet up
Hmm.
their medical expenses.
Hmm.
And it is Medicare is also a secondary payer for chronic disorder people and working age people and for disabled persons.
Come again, come again, come again. Sorry, I didn't get
Medi-
you.
Medicare acts as a secondary payer for chronic disorder people.
Medicaid. It's not Medicare, ma. It's Medicaid. Medicare is different to Medicaid. So Medicaid is a state government plan, the state plan, federal government. Understood? The
Okay,
states
ma'am.
care by the states. Understand? So this is governed by the states. So which will be taking care of these people who are like the patients who are unable to meet certain criteria, like who can't pay their medical bills, who doesn't have the who are like insufficient to pay to take care of the bills.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next. So next, what? Who are eligible for this Medicaid? ఈ మెడికేడ్ ప్లాన్ కి ఎవరు eligibility criteria దేనికి? సో టు బి eligible for this federal funds, సో ఈ funds కి ఎలిజిబుల్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అంటే the states are required to provide Medicare coverage for most of the individuals. So for all these people this Medicaid I mean this federal funds అనేవి తీసుకోవడానికి దే ఆర్ ఎలిజిబుల్. సో who are those eligible groups? Some of the list of few eligible groups are like low income families. సో who doesn't like డైలీ వేజెస్ మీద వర్క్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు కదా. డైలీ వేజెస్ అంటే లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కూలీ పనులు అంటారు కదా. సో వాళ్ళకి and very low income, so who only like one person is taking care of that, I mean one family, it's really very hard for that person to uh, like I mean to take the responsibility of each and everyone and trying to meet the end of the day. So అలాంటి వాళ్ళకి, so infants born to the Medicaid eligible pregnant women. So for these people, infants ఎవరు? Like small child guys, చిన్న
Newly
పిల్ల.
born people.
Yeah, exactly. So certain Medicare beneficiaries, so certain Medicare beneficiaries అంటే ఎవరు? Medicare beneficiaries who? Medicare beneficiaries అంటే ఎవరు వస్తారు?
Senior
Daily wage
citizen.
people.
Come again.
Daily wage peoples.
Medicare beneficiaries అమ్మా.
Medicare. Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
Senior citizens, ma'am.
Senior citizens. Disabled persons.
So disabled persons come into picture here, right? Who are like completely disabled and like over 65, so more than like they are unable to take care of themselves and no one is taking care of that person. So alantappudu those people come into picture, right? Okay, yes or no?
Ma'am, once repeat the point.
ఏదమ్మా?
Just now you told, no, ma'am.
ఏది? The person, I mean who are unable to meet their ends.
Not that, ma'am. You said about disability persons, no, ma'am.
Yeah, who are like disabled, like more than ఇప్పుడు 65 older people ఉన్నారు, senior citizens who are like unable to meet their ends or who is not taking care of those people. So all these people come into picture in this. So for all these people this even these people are eligible for this plan, Medicaid. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. Who? Okay, so any doubts here in this? మనకి ఇక్కడ ఈ మెడికేడ్ ఎలిజిబుల్ ఈ మెడికేడ్ దానికి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ క్రైటీరియా ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఎవరో ఒకరు లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేస్తారా కొన్ని చెప్పిన పాయింట్స్? కెన్ సమ్మన్?
Low income families,
ఓకే.
daily wage working people,
Mm.
infants born to pregnant women,
Mm.
disabled persons,
Mm.
persons with only one source of income for the entire family.
Mm.
That's it, ma'am.
Yeah. So all these people like comes under this category. Like to, I mean Medicaid. If దీనికి eligible అవుతారు. Understood? Understood?
Understood, ma'am.
Yes. Cool. Next. Shall we continue or shall we go with the yesterday's, like where exactly we stopped? With the intro and some topics like will make you introduce yourself. So someone stopped somewhere, and yeah, shall we continue that? Hello? Hello?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. గైస్, అంటే నా వాయిస్ అందరికి వినిపిస్తుందా లేదా, అంటే లేట్ గా వినిపిస్తుందా? ఐ వాంట్ నో దిస్ బికాస్ వెరీ చాలా లేట్ గా రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు. సో అందుకని మీరు చాలా లేట్ గా మీకు వినిపిస్తుందా నా వాయిస్?
No, ma'am, you're comfortable.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what my question is, like yesterday where we have stopped, shall we continue with that, or can someone like describe your day in English? Like till now, since morning, what you have done and what made you excited? Anything in English for 5 minutes. Can someone speak, guys? Yesterday we all stood on one point, like yes, we'll be doing from tomorrow on, right? Prashant, Uday, Prasanna, Kumari, Roja, Sujit, Sailu, Priya. Speak out, guys. Can someone just describe your day in English? Like what exactly, and how was your day? Explain your things about your day in English. Can you say something, ma, in English? Like ఈరోజు ఏమి చేసావు, సో యువర్ డే ఎలా గడిచింది అనేది కొంచెం.
Okay.
ఎస్టర్డే మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం కదా,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
from tomorrow we are going to do this as well, ani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so can you?
Okay, ma'am, I will.
Thank you very much, very good. Yes, go ahead.
Should I wake up around 9 o'clock and I got fresh up and then I had my breakfast and then just I helped my mom by cleaning our rooms and then I had some time with a little baby girl who is in my neighborhood
Mm-hmm.
and then again I had scrolled up Instagram for some time
Okay,
and then I had my lunch.
you had your lunch, so you stayed at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, continue.
After completion of my lunch, I again played with a baby boy
Oh,
and then after some time I had read a book
you
for
read a book.
and then I went to sleep for few hours.
Few hours
Of
or 2 hours?
few like 2 to 3 hours, ma'am.
Okay, you slept for 2 to 3 hours. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. And then evening again I woke up and then got freshed up. Again joined the class. That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Nice, cool, nice. Thank you, Priya. Thank you for coming forward and explaining. Next, who wants to? Komalika, can you describe your day and your daily routine, like how exactly how your day went? Like Prasanna,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Can you talk, ma? Can you say?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you for coming. Carry on,
Today
ma.
I woke Today I woke up at 5:40, ma'am.
You woke up at 5:40.
5:40.
You're an early person, right?
Not like that, ma'am.
Okay. Sometimes you do.
Sometimes I do.
Okay. What is the reason for you to wake up at that point of time, at that time, like 5:40 a.m.? Oh my god,
Since
it's
a
too
week
early.
since a week it became a rule in our house.
Oh, these
Wake up
days.
early. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Later on, I got freshed up
Okay.
and went to yoga class.
Yoga class. Cool. Very nice.
Summer
What
camp.
did you
Summer
learn?
camp, ma'am.
Okay.
God did. Today is my first day in yoga class, so I learned some basic exercises.
Okay. Basic exercises, like what did you learn? What are the asanas, or what did you learn?
Not asanas, ma'am, just basic exercises.
Okay. Jumping, roll on. Is that?
Like that.
Fine. Go on.
Later on, I came home back at 7 o'clock,
Hmm.
and I again got freshed up completely and had my breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went to my brother to check up on him, what he was doing.
Okay. You checked with him, like what he's up to. Okay.
Later on, we both played for some time.
Okay. Is he a kid?
No, ma'am, he completed his intermediate recently.
Okay. He's grown up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He's a teen boy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay.
Later on, I drew some pictures, ma'am. Like only one, not
Oh.
many.
Okay. You're an artist then.
Not an artist, just small things I can draw.
Okay. Whatever you drew.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Cool.
Later on, I scrolled YouTube for some time. Later on, shifting to Instagram.
Okay. YouTube, Instagram. What else? What other social media platforms you use?
I use those two only, ma'am.
Come again.
I'll use only those two, ma'am.
Okay. Those. What did you do in YouTube? What did you browse?
Shorts.
Okay. What did you learn?
I just saw for some time. Those are funny things,
Okay. Fine.
funny shorts.
So what exactly, like, so today, what I mean, what did you feel like, I mean, did you felt like you have learned something today
Yes, ma'am.
in this whole day? So you felt like today you have learned something, ఏదో ఒకటి నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను అని నీకు ఏదైనా అనిపించిందా ఈ రోజు మొత్తానికి?
Yes, ma'am.
Respond in English.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you learn?
Today I am active than yesterday, ma'am.
Yeah. So who is next? Thank you, Prasanna. Thank you so much for coming forward and explaining
Okay, ma'am. Thank
things.
you, ma'am.
Yes, cool. So Prashant, can I expect you to speak up and explain about your day, how it went like, and if you have learned something, what exactly is that? How did you spend your day? Can I expect that? No? No one wants to speak about, like, no one wants to talk about your day, guys? You don't want to share? Hello? Who is coming next? Deepthi? No?
Ma'am, she has sent a chat to the group, ma'am, that her surroundings are too noisy.
Acha, okay. Okay. Then who is going to speak up then? Apart from that. Sailu? Prasanna Kumari, you spoke. Are you the one who spoke?
No, ma'am, she is different.
Okay. So, Prasanna Kumari, can I expect you to speak something? At least today, what did we cover in today's class? So, you can speak about that as well. That is also cool. Like, at least మనం 2-3 టాపిక్స్ కవర్ చేసినా సరే సో వాట్ ఏం తెలుసుకున్నాము అది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసినా ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఐ విల్ బి సాటిస్ఫైడ్. మీకు ఏం అర్థం కాలేదని చెప్పండి ఇంగ్లీష్లో, ఐ విల్ బి సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఓకే దీప్తి, అండర్స్టూడ్, ఫైన్, షూర్. Too much disturbance around you. Okay, you're surrounded by the disturbance. Then how can you hear my voice then? Is that okay? You can hear my voice, but in order to speak, there is a disturbance over there. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. For today, I'm excusing you, and make sure tomorrow, which is like day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday, guys. So day after tomorrow, so make sure that you guys are speaking up. Okay? Say yes or no. Okay, fine. Uday, Prashant, Sailu, you guys are not speaking at all. Can I expect you guys to speak something?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes, Uday. మాట్లాడండి.
Today I waked up at 8 a.m., ma'am.
Yes, Uday, you can speak.
Yeah, today I waked up at 8 a.m., ma'am.
You woke up at 8 o'clock. Okay, very good.
Yes. Then I had my fresh up.
Yeah, come again.
Then I freshed up, ma'am.
Okay. 10 o'clock
Then
you...
I went
At 10 o'clock.
at 8 a.m., ma'am.
8, okay. You woke up and then you took your bath and then
Then went out, ma'am,
went out. Okay.
and had breakfast at outside.
Okay, you went outside and then you had your breakfast then. Okay, that's cool. Few people won't even do their things and then they just directly straight out go out and then they have their breakfast. Yeah. Okay.
Then
That is
again
again.
I returned home, ma'am.
You return to home. Okay.
I watched TV for some time.
Watch TV for some time. Okay.
Then I had my lunch.
Then you had your lunch. Okay. So till the noon, you watched television, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, you had your
And
lunch.
then
Again, you went out.
After lunch, I used mobile for some time.
You used mobile for some time. Okay.
Then I went to sleep, ma'am.
Okay. Straight away next. Okay.
I wake up at 5:30.
You woke up at 5:30 p.m. Okay.
Then I joined the class, ma'am.
Then you joined the class. 5:30 you woke up and then you straight away you joined the class. How is it possible?
I
You
mean,
started the
actually, I washed my face and then started
Oh,
joining class.
for 1 hour you have been washing your face?
No, ma'am.
Huh? Then
I- actually stayed at home only, ma'am. I wake up at 5:30.
Okay.
The class started 6 now, ma'am.
Class started at 6. You woke up at 5:30, then you washed your face for half an hour, and then okay.
Not at all.
Okay. So 6:30 we have started class, right? For 6:30
Yes, ma'am.
exactly.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So 6 to 6:30 what did you do then?
Actually, I was waiting for your call, ma'am, when the classes start.
Oh, okay. You were just waiting for me to join the class. Okay. From 6 p.m., right? Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am.
You're it seems like you're very interested in this class. That's cool.
That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Did you understand anything that I've explained in today's class? Please don't ask me
Today,
this question. Except this question, you can ask me anything. Is that what your inner voice says?
today you explained two topics, Medicare and Medicaid, ma'am.
Medicare and Medicaid. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. In
So what is?
Medicare, what are the
Mm,
in Medicare? You explained about Medicaid and Medicare, ma'am. In that, what are the types of Medicare in railroad, like the secondary?
Medicare as a secondary payer who are
Yes, ma'am.
eligible for secondary payer, who are eligible in that for
Yes, ma'am.
that who comes under this category. And yeah.
Like disabled
Mm,
senior citizens,
mm.
renal failure.
Mm. Chronic renal disease.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Then about Medicaid,
Mm.
it's about the what is Medicaid and its eligibility.
It's not about.
You explained about Medicaid and its eligibility.
Mm. Eligibility. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. You listen to my class. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you, Uday. That's so sweet of you. Yes. Who else wants to speak? Do anyone want to speak, or shall we just end for the day? Shall we end for the day, or end the class for the day, or shall we continue with any other person? So, if someone speak, then with another person, we'll end the meet. Who wants to? Roja, do you want to speak, or at least explain about your day? No. Prasanna Kumari, Sailu, Prashant. Prashant yesterday spoke. Then what about today? He spoke to me yesterday, right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prashant.
I'll say about my day, ma'am.
Come again.
Ma'am,
Yes, I'm asking you about your day. Explain it about in Telugu. Sorry, in English. Sorry. In English only.
I woke up at 6
Explain.
and got brushed 6:30. I had my breakfast at 7 and I moved to office at 7:45.
You moved to
Office. I went to office.
office.
Yes,
Which office?
Korohal.
Come again.
Korohal. Korohal.
Can you
Korohal.
speak a bit? Coro
Health.
health.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
There we had some training on how
Oh.
to lead the codes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, we had a short break at 10:30. After that,
Mm-hmm.
the training resumed, and till 12:30 the class.
Mm-hmm.
We took a small break at 12:30, and we had an assessment exam.
Mm-hmm.
With our training session completed after 2 o'clock.
After 2 o'clock. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. I returned to my hostel at 3 o'clock. Had my lunch. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
took a nap. I woke up at 5:30.
Okay. You spoke with Uday that we both are going to wake up exactly at 5:30, and then you guys woke up.
No, ma'am, it's not like that. I
Not like
just
that.
no.
Okay, it's just boys things, huh? Coincidentally, it happens. Uh huh. Okay.
That's it. I've used my phone for some time and just got into it.
That's cool. Thank you. And why you guys didn't respond when I am asking questions in the earlier? I mean, at
I dozed
class,
off.
like, huh?
I dozed off a bit.
You dozed off. Very nice. Very good. Very honest answer. Give him a big round of applause. Like, really, I appreciate it. At least you have honestly agreed. Okay, cool. Who else slept? So am I making you sleep with my lessons, with my lecture?
It's not like that, ma'am. I had a long day. That's it.
Okay. It was a long day for you, Prashant.
Yeah.
Okay. Hope you recall things again, like what exactly you have covered. I mean, I just covered only 1 to 2 topics. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'll-
You can collect from your friends, or
Okay.
or in the next class, like when we just take the next class, we'll just in go in brief, like what exactly we have covered.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries in that. Yes, guys, cello. So, is there anything else? Why everyone is joining now? Oh my god. Only 10 members are here. 9 members are here. Oh my god. Fine. See you guys, everyone, on day after tomorrow, which is like tomorrow, it's a holiday for us. And day after tomorrow, we'll continue the session. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Anything else?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else? I'm tired as hell. Yes. Anything you wanted to know or anything you wanted to ask me? If nothing, you guys can leave.